Hey, welcome back to Thursdays at Culture Talk. Teresa and Cynthia back to share some more ideas with you. If you've been watching us, you know that we're talking about archetypes, which are patterns, different storylines that are part of the human DNA. We've been deconstructing a few of those patterns, comparing them, contrasting them, showing you how each one of them kind of shows up and adds their own flavor and adds their own strengths to a conversation. So what's really cool about that is it's another way of thinking about the diversity and inclusion conversation. Because unlike things that we can just look at as separating us, maybe race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, some of these different areas where we've been really looking at diversity, archetypes are something that can help us to understand what is our diversity of thought and how can we use that to help understand one another better instead of just separating us out?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like there's boxes, diversity conversations about which box do I fit in. And certainly even archetypally, we might have different archetypes. But also, we may actually share archetypal patterns with people that we think of as very different from us. So someone may look different than we look. They may have a very different background. They may even be in a different job role, but they might share some of our archetypal qualities, which can be around things like what motivates us, what energizes us. If we're the protagonist in a story, what is that thing that we're going after and what does it look like when we get there? So they can help us see some diversity through a different lens, but also they can sort of pull our lens together and say, hey, we're all human first and we share these storylines.
Yeah, and I love the way that develops a sense of appreciation, understanding, and empathy. And so if you really want to go past the, stereotypes that can become problematic and get in our way and really impede progress in teams and in groups, try archetypes as a way of thinking about things because they can help us to quickly dive below the surface, develop a sense of curiosity about people, and help understand how we oftentimes have a lot of things in common, especially what motivates us. So we'll look forward to sharing some more of those patterns with you in the coming weeks. And if you have some questions about diversity or inclusion and archetypes, please reach out. We have a really cool panel that we did a week ago, and we're happy to share the link with that so you can hear some more ideas.
Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.
See you next time.